Here's one you won't come across every day. Take a look at this. 1987 Chevrolet C20 Silverado. So two-wheel drive Silverado C20, basically 3/4 ton. All right, underneath the hood of this, got the big dog. 454 underneath there, paired with an automatic transmission. A few other options that this would have came with new that were highly sought after. Did have the third row seating. Also would have had the rear AC. So it would have been a nicely equipped Suburban back in 1987. Power windows, power locks, tilt screws, all that good stuff. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, check out the engine bay, undersides of this thing, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there, right to the website where you can see the pictures. Now, the thing about this vehicle, it spent the majority of its life. Started out in California. So, you do not see a bunch of bubbling above any of the fenders, down in the doors, all the usual spots where these would start to rust away. So this vehicle started out in California, then spent the majority of its life in Wyoming. So appears to be a very solid vehicle. Take a look at the underside picture, you'll see what I'm talking about. You can also see straight vehicle up and down it. Again, come back here. One of the spots where you'd see rusting, you'd see bubbling. This truck also has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. And again, take a look at that, those rear quarters. You just don't see those typically like that. Most of them rusted away. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Another spot, you'd always see the rust on these, bottom of the doors in the back. And take a look in the pictures. When you look at the still pictures, check out the bottom sides of the doors in this one. It's unbelievable. Got what they would have called the barn doors in the back. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video, click on the link. That's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726, number we can be reached at. Now, the paint does show its age, some up on the hood, and I can show you that a little bit later before I pop it. But again, one little spot where you can see there just a tad, and that from going around it is really about the only spot that I've noticed hardly anything. And again, nice and straight up and down this side. Got one little indentation where that trailer mirror, side mirror is pushed in. That may be able to be popped out, but you can kind of see that. Let's go ahead and pop the rear door open here. Take a look at the seat. Now, of course, both sides folded up, so you could have a lot of storage space back there. Get that third row seat. Right back here. Those are removable. But again, the cloth and everything, very nice shape. Headliner, great shape in this one. Front and rear dome lights both working. Did notice a little tear. You have the captain's seats up front too, with the armrest. I'm going to flip both back. Let me show you. Front here, I want to point out there is a wear area here in the front seat, and that'll show up in the picture. So take a good close look at those pictures. I'm going to fire this up too so we can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. But again, power windows, power locks. Choke on, so the idle might be up a little bit. Center console. Slip around in the back here a second. See how nicely those doors both closed. Here's that 454 underneath the hood. Tow package in the rear of it. Be a good tow vehicle. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video a second. A little larger hood to try to get open one-handed. So let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and we'll check out underneath there, see what that engine bay looks like. Alright, here's the engine bay. The AC compressor and everything hooked up. Don't do it. Power steering, power brakes, 454 V8. Very smooth running. I did want to show you the hood because there was some imperfections on the hood. So I'm going to close this a second. At least part of the way. You can kind of see there are some imperfections in the hood. Not as noticeable up and down the side to see anything like that. Look pretty clean on the sides. Close this hood all the way too. Alright, so there you have it. 1987 Chevrolet C20 Silverado Suburban. 454 underneath the hood. Give us a call. The number is 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video in the link, click on it. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'd be happy to assist you with getting this vehicle to where you're located at. Give us a call.